Have you ever noticed your face getting darker even in the winter? Because that was me, and I was so confused. I was doing my skincare, I was using sunscreen, everything looked right, but my face kept getting darker. So I had to pause and ask myself, what exactly is going on? Hi guys, welcome back to Money Space. My name is Moni. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and today I'm bringing you into my real life, what I do in a day. Well, half of what I do in a day when I don't have any outing or when I don't have to go to work. And let me show you the skincare routine that is actually working for me right now, because let's be honest, skincare is not permanent. What works today might stop working tomorrow, and that's exactly what happened to me this winter. Before now, I used to work from home, so applying sunscreen once a day was enough. I wasn't really going out and I wasn't exposed to the sun or heat. But now that I'm working on site, I'm outside more, I'm in the car, on the bus, and there's heat everywhere. Then it clicked. It's not just the sun. Is the constant exposure and the fact that I was not reapplying my sunscreen. That's what changed everything for me. So here is what I do now. In the morning, I wash my face with my CeraVe foaming cleanser. Sometimes I go in with my alpha arbutin, and because alpha arbutin does not work alone on its own, I also use glycolic acid, but I use that just twice in a week. Also, don't ever make the mistake of using alpha arbutin and glycolic acid without reapplying your sunscreen the next day regularly, at least 2 to 3 hours. No excuses. I even made it easy for myself. I keep one sunscreen in my bag and one at home, so no matter where I am, I can always reapply my sunscreen. And trust me, the small change is making a big difference already. I also apply a large quantity of sunscreen on my skin. I put it on my skin and leave it for a while, and it melts into my skin. The secret is the alpha arbutin and the glycolic acid will keep your skin even, will tackle all the uneven skin tone, while the sunscreen will protect your skin from having more damage from the sun. Also, during the winter, I don't usually use lotion. I think it's a waste of time using lotion during the winter season. You need something heavy, like a very good moisturizing cream or a body oil, like I'm using in this particular video. So on this day, after my skincare and bath, I came downstairs to make something simple. I had croissant and boiled egg. Nothing fancy, and instead of my usual drink or tea, instead I decided to switch things up. Normally I take warm water with apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, chia seed and cloves, but this day I said, let me try green tea. Do I like it? Not really, but we move. Healthy lifestyle, right? There's something about clocking 30. Ever since I clocked 30 years, I'll be intentional about my health and my lifestyle. After that, I sat down with my laptop, checked my emails, did some job application. Because yes, I love my current job, but if a 6-figure opportunity comes, I will not pretend like I didn't see it. Let's be honest. If you have ever struggled with uneven skin tone, or you are confused why your skincare isn't working anymore, this video is for you. If you would love to see a detailed video of my skincare routine, let me know in the comment section. I would love to show you. I am just 2 weeks into this new skincare routine and I can see it working already. I am not even going to lie to you. Even with everything I have changed, I am still testing something new in my routine, because I started noticing one more thing that I didn't expect at all, and I don't want to rush and say it yet. So in my next video, I'm going to share what I found and what I'm adding or removing completely, because this skincare journey is not as simple as we think. If you have ever felt that your product just stopped working overnight, you need to see this video. So make sure you're subscribed, because you don't want to miss what I discover next.